on the Macmazza software. In this video we are going to show how you can temporarily pause an execution program list and resume it from the stopped point. Think about the case scenario where a small but important order comes in the middle of a long execution program list. Let's see how you can use the pause button to stop the actual list order. The machine is now ready to perform the new added program. Once you have done it, you can resume the original list from the interruption point. There are a couple of ways to do that. Let's see the case you want to process a new automatic program. Press the main tab button. Select the new program to process. Press Add button. Now you are able to drag the new program to the first position. Once the automatic program has got totally executed, the list will keep going forward. In the case you prefer to perform manually the new order, you must press the pause button. Then press the switch tab. Switch from automatic to manual mode. Press the manual tab. Now you are able to perform manually the operation. Once you have finished, let's press the switch tab button in order to switch the machine back in automatic mode. Now you can resume the original list from the last point of interruption by pressing once again the pause button. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in learning how to work in manual mode, please go ahead and watch the video tutorial posted in the bottom left. If you are interested in learning how to work in automatic mode, watch the video tutorial posted in the bottom right. For any question or doubt, feel free to contact us at the link below.